Hello. Today we are going to learn network security in networking. In Module 7 we have these topics: common threats and vulnerabilities, firewall and IDS or IPs technologies, VPNs and remote access. Common threats and vulnerabilities. There are numerous threats and vulnerabilities that can compromise the security of computer networks and systems. Here are some of the most common ones. 1. Malware. Malware, short for malicious software, is any software that is designed to cause harm to computer systems, networks, or devices. Examples include viruses, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. 2. Phishing. Phishing is a social engineering attack in which attackers use fraudulent emails, websites, or other online platforms to trick victims into divulging sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, or other personal data. 3. Denial of service DDoS attacks. A DDoS attack is a type of cyber attack in which an attacker attempts to disrupt the normal functioning of a network or system by flooding it with traffic or other types of requests. 4. Man-in-the-middle MITM attacks. In a MITM attack, an attacker intercepts the communication between two parties and manipulates it to their advantage, such as stealing login credentials or other sensitive information. 5. SQL injection. SQL injection is a type of attack that exploits vulnerabilities in web applications that use SQL databases, allowing an attacker to execute malicious SQL statements. 6. Password attacks. Password attacks involve attempting to guess or crack passwords to gain unauthorized access to a system or network. 7. Insider threats. Insider threats are security risks that arise from within an organization, such as employees, contractors, or partners with access to sensitive information or systems. 8. Unpatched vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities in software and systems can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access or perform other malicious actions. Failure to patch or update these vulnerabilities can leave systems vulnerable to attack. To address these threats and vulnerabilities, it is important to implement a comprehensive security strategy that includes measures such as regular security updates, strong password policies, access control mechanisms, encryption, and security awareness training for employees. Additionally, regular security assessments and penetration testing can help identify potential vulnerabilities and address them before they can be exploited. Firewall and IDS or IPs technologies. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on a set of predetermined security rules. The purpose of a firewall is to create a barrier between an internal network and external networks, such as the Internet, to protect against unauthorized access and other security threats. Intrusion detection. System IDS and intrusion prevention system IPS are technologies designed to detect and prevent network attacks. An IDS monitors network traffic and generates alerts when it detects suspicious activity or a potential attack. An IPS goes a step further by actively blocking or preventing the attack from reaching its target. Firewalls, IDS or IPs, and other security technologies are essential for protecting networks and data from various security threats, such as hacking, malware, and denial of service DDoS attacks. These technologies work together to provide multiple layers of protection and improve overall network security. VPNs and remote access. A virtual private network VPN is a secure and encrypted network connection that allows users to access a private network over the Internet. VPNs are commonly used by remote workers to securely access company networks from outside the office, but they can also be used by individuals to protect their online privacy and access geo-restricted content. A VPN works by creating an encrypted tunnel between the user's device and the VPN server. All data transmitted over this connection is encrypted, making it more difficult for hackers or other unauthorized parties to intercept or steal sensitive information. Remote access refers to the ability of users to access a network or system from a remote location. This can include accessing files or applications on a company network from a home computer or connecting to a work computer from a mobile device while on the go, such as Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP) or Virtual Network Computing (VNC). These technologies allow users to securely connect to a network or system from any location with an internet connection, improving productivity and flexibility for remote workers. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.